All right, what's up guys? Today I got the BC Racing coilovers right here for Mustang right there. So we're gonna install these things today. It should be really easy. That car's super clean. It has like low miles, so should bust it right out. Alright, so we're just jacking up the car, taking the wheels off, and they look really easy. There's just 4 in the front, up top, 2 in the bottom, up top, and then the rears, I believe.
And we're gonna have to go
It's a strut. Yeah, it's a strut. And then the spring in the bucket, and then we just gotta replace the, what was that, sway bar end links? Or, yeah. So, shouldn't be too bad. All right, for the rear, it's this one bolt right here on the bottom and one up in the trunk. It's hard to see on this side because there's a sub in there, but that's what it looks like on the driver's side. It's the same, it's gonna be over there. In the front, we already have this one out. It's 2 big bolts on the bottom. You gotta swap the sway bar link right there, and then just 4 bolts up on the top. All right guys, this is how it looks when it's all done. The BCs are fully on there. I got this front fitment really good. It tucks a tiny bit. It doesn't rub at all. And I have the adjustable dampening about halfway in the middle. The rear is still a little high. This is my dad's car, so I put these in for him and stuff. And this is kind of the setup he wants. I don't know if he's gonna want me to lower it more in the rear or not, but the front fitment's really good right now. Let me just pop the hood and show you guys what it looks like when they're all installed. So in the engine bay, right here's all the new hardware. Right here is where your adjustable dampening is. Turn it left for soft, right for hard. I have it about in the middle. That's on both sides. And then I'll show you in the trunk too as well. So in the trunk, I'm just gonna show you this side because that side has a sub. But right in there, as you can tell, there's the new ones with the same wheel for adjustability, so that's cool. And I gotta say though, these coilovers really change the way the car drives. It stiffens it up a lot, gets rid of all the body roll, and it's probably the biggest improvement that can be made to your like S197 chassis Mustang. So I highly recommend getting some coilovers. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.